Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect rice every single time without a rice cooker. Display of rice, measuring cups, salt, oil or butter. Here's what you need. 1 cup of long grain rice like basmati, about 1.5 to 2 cups of water, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Rice in a bowl being swirled under running water first. Rinse your rice 3 times under cold running water. This removes excess starch so your grains stay separate. Then, soak the rice for 20 to 30 minutes. If you're short on time, even 10 minutes helps. Water ratio and bringing to a boil. Grab a heavy bottomed pot and add your water. The standard ratio is 1 cup rice to 1.5 cups water. For softer rice, go up to 1.75 or even 2 cups. Stir in a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of oil or butter. This prevents sticking and adds shine. Bring to a boil. Place the pot over high heat without the lid. Once you hear vigorous bubbling, you're ready. Add the rice, drain your soaked rice, and gently pour it into the boiling water. Give it 1 light stir to prevent sticking. Simmer on medium heat. After 1 minute at high heat, reduce to medium. Cover with the lid and let it cook undisturbed for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the water is fully absorbed. Rest on dum. If the water's gone and the grains are tender, keep the lid on and turn the heat down to the lowest setting for another 5 minutes. This is called dum fluffing and serving. Once rested, remove the lid. Use a fork to gently fluff the rice so the grains separate beautifully. Garnish with fresh cilantro if you like. Tips and tricks. Tip number 1. Always rinse and soak. Less starch means fluffier rice. Tip number 2. Use a non-stick or heavy pot, no sticking. Tip number 3. Don't lift the lid during cooking. Heat and steam are everything. See how easy that was? Perfect rice every time. No rice cooker needed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Leave your own rice cooking tips in the comments. And subscribe for more cooking hacks. See you next time. Bye.